X, the world's first ergonomic 8-in-1 pillow with the Anti-Snore Neck Support Channel that helps relieve neck and shoulder pain, reduce snoring, plus superior bacterial protection to keep out harmful allergens. Our first generation armrest pillow was loved by our customers with 5-star reviews. And now we've upgraded and made it even better. It's the only pillow with 8-in-1 technology that helps reduce your snoring with enhanced cervical support, which also helps alleviate pain, protects you from bacteria, and keeps you cool at night so you sleep better. There's the carbon bamboo charcoal to absorb moisture and prevent bacteria growth. The Anti-Snore Neck Support Channel that helps open breathing pathways. Air cell technology for enhanced breathability and airflow. Bounce Tech memory foam that cradles you for maximum support and helps relieve neck pain. Infused copper for antibacterial protection and skin benefits. The Ice CoolCover that is cool to the touch. Air Vortex breathable mesh for enhanced cooling. And dual armrest for superior comfort. The Carbon Snore-X Anti-Snore Neck Support Channel offers optimum support to help relieve neck and back pain, while it opens up your breathing pathways to help reduce snoring. Plus, it's great for everyone. Side sleepers, back sleepers, and stomach sleepers. The Bamboo Charcoal Bounce Tech memory foam provides better support, spinal alignment, and relieves your pressure points. The activated bamboo charcoal carbon helps prevent moisture, mold growth, and allergens. The air cell technology keeps a constant airflow so you stay cool while you sleep. The pillowcase is made with our advanced engineered Ice CoolCover that keeps your body cool as it wicks away moisture so you sleep better. Studies show that you sleep better in a cooler room. Look at how much heat is generated while using this ordinary pillow. The Carbon Snore-X remains cool and comfortable. The inner copper cover protects you from harmful bacteria, germs, and other allergens. Copper technology has been touted for its antibacterial properties and was even tested by NASA. The dual armrest gives you unlimited comfort no matter what position you sleep in. It's even great for reading or watching your tablet. Plus, the Air Vortex breathable mesh provides additional airflow, moisture wicking, and cooling. The Carbon Snore-X helps reduce snoring by comfortably cradling and stretching the neck to help release pressure and pain. Side sleepers will love our raised dual arm support to alleviate head, neck, and shoulder tension, and ensure optimal sleep height to enhance spinal alignment. Enjoy superior sleeping comfort and wake to a loose, relaxed body ready to take on your day. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed, and getting a good night's sleep is a key component to your health. The Carbon Snore-X provides healthy sleep with comfortable orthopedic cervical support, specially designed to reduce snoring. It feels amazing for your best night's sleep. You will wake feeling energized. Back the amazing Carbon Snore-X pillow and take the advice of Dr. Pillow to have healthier sleep, reduce snoring, and bacteria protection for your best night's sleep ever.